They say nothing escapes a black hole, not even light. But what if you fell into one? What would you see? What would you feel? And is there any chance you survive?
Imagine standing at the edge of the most terrifying object in the universe, a place where time breaks, space tears, and every law of physics you know stops working. You look ahead, and the black hole isn't just black. It's a swirling cosmic monster, twisting stars like they're grains of dust. Your heart races. You take one small step forward, and then you fall. At first, nothing happens. Silence, weightlessness, almost peaceful. But then, everything changes. Your feet begin to stretch downward. Your head stays behind. You're being pulled apart atom by atom. Scientists call it spaghettification, but trust me, it wouldn't feel like pasta. The closer you get, the slower everything around you becomes. To an outside observer, time itself freezes. To them, you never fall in. But to you, you're falling faster than ever. The light of the universe begins to swirl around you, stars stretching into bright rings, colors bending, reality twisting. And then, the event horizon, the point of no return. Once you cross it, your story leaves the universe forever. Inside, physics breaks. Time becomes a river flowing in one direction, downward. You can move forward, but you can never turn back. Some scientists believe you'd be crushed into an infinitely small point. Others believe you might fall through a tunnel, a bridge to another universe, a wormhole. But the truth? We don't know. Because no one has ever returned from a black hole. No message, no light, no signal. It is the universe's greatest mystery. And if you fell into one, your final moments would be both terrifying and strangely beautiful.
This is what would happen if you fell into a black hole. Subscribe for more mind-bending space facts, and don't forget to share the video.